Bitcoin crossed $100,000 not long ago. Yes, 100,000 US dollar for a single coin. This is something many thought was impossible just a few years ago. If you are watching this, you might be wondering, is this a hype? Is it real? And most importantly, what should you do next? In the next few minutes, I will explain to you why this is such a turning point and what steps make sense depending on your situation. Hi, I'm Antoniette Tee and welcome back to Crypto with Antoniette Tee. I have been in the crypto space since 2019 and during that time, I have worked with major exchanges like MEXC Global and Bitget Global. My mission is to break down crypto in real everyday language so you feel confident investing, trading, and living in this space. So if that sounds good to you, hit the like button now, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and stay tuned because we are diving deep. So let's start with why 100,000 US dollar is more than just a number. First, it's a psychological milestone. Think about the headlines, the buzz. Each $100,000 level inspires belief and momentum. Second, it opens door to massive institutional and retail interest. Pension funds, hedge funds, sovereign wealth funds, they all start paying attention when Bitcoin passes big round numbers. That can create a feedback loop of price increase. And third, it unlocks profit for early adopters. People who bought at $1,000 or even $10,000 are now sitting on massive gain. So either they bank profit or they double down. Both can move the market. Institutional demands, Bitcoin ETFs, that is like BlackRock and Fidelity, bring in tens of hundreds of millions of dollars daily. That consistently pushes the prices higher. So what are the market drivers for the Bitcoin? First, institutional demand. Bitcoin ETFs like BlackRock and Fidelity bring in tens of hundreds of millions of dollars daily. This consistently pushes the price higher. Also, the 2024 halving slashed the Bitcoin's new supply in half. And as you know, less supply equals to higher scarcity. That is basic economics. Next is global issues like inflation and currency instability. These are driving people in Kenya, Nigeria, Argentina, Turkey, and beyond towards Bitcoin as a safe haven. As you know, cryptocurrency is not affected by inflation. So the more people coming in to buy crypto and Bitcoin, to be specific, the more the demand and the higher the prices go. Also, we have mainstream adoptions whereby companies are accepting Bitcoins and government are exploring it. Also, apps are integrating it, and it's not just a speculation anymore, it's a utility. Same thing applies. The more the demand, the higher the price. Also, we have something called FOMO, which is fear of missing out, and also hype that is on social media, news, memes. All these attract newcomers who fear missing out on the opportunity to invest in Bitcoin. So this inflow drives the prices up even further. So now what should you do? What does this mean for you? Here are the three key scenarios. 1. You might already be holding Bitcoin. Congratulations! I would recommend you consider strategically taking profit. You don't have to sell everything, but locking in some gains at this level is wise. You can also rebalance into stablecoins and other assets. The second scenario is if you are new to crypto. This might not be the best entry. Instead, do a dollar cost averaging, DCA. I would recommend investing small amount weekly or even monthly, as this helps reduce the risk. The third scenario I would recommend is avoid emotional decisions. Bulls and bears both tempt you. Don't chase every headline. Don't buy the dip blindly or panic sell after correction. And the universal tip I would recommend is keep your crypto in secure wallet. Also use strong password and 2FA. And never trust suspicious links. In fact, don't click them. So Antoniette, what's your personal strategy? Here's what I'm doing personally. I'm holding the majority of my Bitcoin for long term. Those are like my diamond sands in effect. But I'm also taking profit on short-term price spike and rebalancing into altcoins with strong fundamentals like Ethereum and Solana. I keep some funds in stablecoins and cash, so I'm ready if we see a dip. So there you have it. Why the 100,000 US dollar milestone matters, what's behind it, and what you can do based on your goals. Now I want to hear from you. What are you buying more, taking profit, or holding tight? Let me know in the comment. And if you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Because next, we are going deeper into why Bitcoin is pumping. See you soon.